When you're looking for additional storage in your workshop or garage, don't forget to look up.
The nice thing about this workshop, it has exposed ceiling joists. And we're going to take advantage of that by using the space above it for storage. Here I took a piece of ventilated shelving that I bought at a home center store. They come in lengths up to about 10 feet, and they'll either cut it for you at the store, or you can bring it back home and cut it with a hacksaw, or even bolt cutters if you happen to have any. And then I fastened it to the underside of the joist with these small plastic hooks. If you look closely here, you'll notice that I clip on the brackets, and the hooks face in opposite directions. That's for extra strength, and this way the shelf won't come down. And I fasten each hook with a 1 5/8 inch screw.
Now, one of the great things about ventilated shelving like this is the visibility. You can really see everything that you're storing up above. That's another reason to use clear plastic containers like this so that you really can get an idea of what you're storing up here.
Now, the other advantage of using ventilated shelving is because this is an open wire like this, first, any dust will fall right through, so you don't have to worry about dust settling on the shelf itself. And you can also use it to hang tools from below. Here are a couple of hooks that I made from a wire hanger. I just snipped it with some pliers and bent it into the shape I needed. And you just hook it anywhere you want on the shelving, and now you have a convenient place to store tools. And the tools are not only out of the way, but they're readily available anytime you need them.